In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the Klaviyo API in 2025. This comprehensive guide is designed to walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Klaviyo's website. If you're not already logged in, now's the time to do so. Enter your credentials to access your account. It's important to ensure you're logged in because this process requires administrative access to adjust settings and manage API keys. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see an icon for your profile. Click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, you'll want to select Account. This will navigate you to your account management area, where you can make necessary changes to your account settings. As you explore the account section, look over to the left sidebar where you will see options laid out. From this sidebar, click on Settings and then proceed to select API Keys. This is where all your API related activities happen. Now you should see a button labeled Create Private API Key. Click this button. By doing so, you're initiating the process of creating a new API key tailored to your needs. A label is required for your new API key, so go ahead and provide it. Be thoughtful in your labeling. It should be descriptive enough to remind you of the key's intended use, yet concise. Next, you'll face choices regarding the access level of your new API key. These levels determine the scope of the key's power. Full access provides complete control over your account, which is great for advanced integrations, while read-only allows viewing without the risk of unintended changes. There's also custom access, letting you define specific permissions tailored to your precise needs. Carefully consider which access level is appropriate for your purposes. Once you've set the access level, the key will be generated instantly. A crucial step is to copy this key immediately. It's vital to note that Klaviyo will not display the key again after this initial reveal, so copying it now is essential. Storing your new API key securely is a top priority. Consider using a password manager or secure storage solution to ensure its safety. The last thing you want is to lose access due to misplacement or security breaches. With your key safely stored, it's now ready for use. With your API key in hand, you can now integrate Klaviyo with your applications, connect to third-party tools, and automate your marketing workflows. The power of the Klaviyo API is at your fingertips, enabling you to streamline and enhance your marketing processes. That's it for today's guide. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough of updating the Klaviyo API in 2025 helpful.